So for problem number 5, again, I'm going to list what I know and what they want me to know. So it says find the angular speed omega. So immediately, right from the rip, I know that they want to know the angular speed. But then they tell me that theta, which is in radians, how do I know it's in radians? Well, because it has pi, and you don't see the degree thing. It's not 45 pi degrees, so it's in radians. Then they tell me the time in seconds. So my question to you is, I have omega, theta, and t. What formula do I use? Well, if I know off the top of my head, but what you're supposed to do when you're learning this is go back and look at your notes. So I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning of the notes. Oh, wait. As I was flipping through my notes, guess what I found? Here's the relationship. Omega is equal to theta over t. That's what I needed to know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to plug that in. Omega is equal to theta over t. In radians over t. Well, what is that? 45 over pi t seconds. Now, let me see if they want an approximate value or an exact value. They want an exact value. So what I really need to do is I need to simplify this fraction. So I'm going to think of it as 45 over 10, then pi, and that's going to be radians per second. Both of these are divisible by 5, so I'm going to think in my head, I'm going to divide the top by 5, I'm going to divide the bottom by 5. I get 9 over 2 times pi radians per second. And that's it.